Okay, hey, hey, since yes, another unboxing moment, right? Maybe a little bit of review, right? So before we go on, I have this tagline for you when it comes to marketing. Remember this, right? As a business owner, right? The your customers love to buy, but they don't like to be sold to. Period. And what would be the countermeasure, right? What would be the countermeasure? Okay, that would be master and apply attraction marketing, whatever products and services that you're offering. So let's go to the unboxing. Okay, here we go. I, well, there's a affiliate, right, of this brand for approximately 10 years, right, since 2015, right? They have gone on from just, the regular skincare provider, right, manufacturer, and also involved in very advanced R&D. They have gone on to be the genetic science type of anti-aging, not just any ordinary just cream or whatever that you see out there, even on the TikTok, right? No matter how amazing they are, I'm sorry to tell you, there's always something that are more advanced, which is in the DNA science for anti-aging. So for this instance, I'm unboxing one of their latest developed, right, with at least decades of R&D on genetic science. That means based on DNA data, big data to develop a wellness product, right, from head to toe, all the way to your hair, hair health, hair youthfulness, all the way until the toes, right? So here we are. Let's go. Okay, first up would be okay. Well, anyway, always the quality of it is another level. That is why right. That is why this brand, after more than 40 years, right, they are able to attract around the world very famous people, right, including Hollywood, right, Hollywood movie stars, right, um, Korean drama actress, Japanese actress, Taiwanese drama actress and host. Personally, is also my friend, right? And they are the consumers. Right? Lots of it. If you can actually Google search, you have no shortage of information about this. This is why I don't know about that 10 years ago when I decided to become an affiliate with them. I don't know about that. But eventually, all of this service, then I know that I can actually partner a giant, right? And so now personally having a celebrity friend, and also she's a fellow affiliate marketer and business mentor, and of course she began with being a consumer, right? Consumers, right? So the more I believe in the success of the product, right? This is why, as a consumer myself, yeah, right, helping me to keep my 50 years old, 52 years old look, my energy, and my, still staying in good shape, right? With the product. So this is why I would like to recommend you today. With this unboxing video, this is a wellness device, and it is AI powered wellness device. Okay, that's the design. Very sleek, very modern looking, like very simple operation, right? And okay, so that's the charging, right? The USB charger, right? Just place it on top, and you can plug it into anywhere that has a USB port for you. So your laptop you can charge it. So it doesn't really need exactly just need even a power bank you can charge it. Okay, right? So there we are, very simple, right? And they are also being synced, because it's AI powered, right? So the update about the update, right, is also through the connectivity is by the app, right? So over here you can just scan it, right? And okay, I shall not go too much into the product usage, but mainly it's for wellness. So giving you examples like let's say you're somebody into traditional Chinese medicine, TCM in short, right? So you would like those body massage, what we call wasa, all that, all right, or lymphatic drainage, So it can do all that for you without the danger, right? Without the need to you have to go out there and put your own health into other people's hands, right? Or you need to wait for your turn because you need to make appointment. If you don't have it, it's very mobile. You bring anywhere you want. You can be out here, having a cafe with your friends, and you can start doing that as well. Right? It doesn't have any inconvenience. I'm trying to say that. So you can bring this on your travel. You can also bring it to your office. You don't need to worry about you need to work late. Or because your office on a computer, right? So because of the ergonomics, so your neck stiff neck, you don't have to worry. This device, you bring it anywhere in your bag, just bring it out, just do a few minutes, done. Right? So you don't need to rush off to meet some health practitioner, to let you do the massaging for you. You don't have to, right? You don't have to at all. Right? And as you know, in terms of the TCM puasa or Aquan, right? If the practitioner is even the experienced ones can sometimes make some mistakes because ultimately they are human. You don't have to worry about AI powered equipment, right? You don't have to worry about that because why? At least the standardization will always be there as compared to a human being performance. Yes or no? Right? So it's just simple common sense, yeah, right? Because human being you cannot be performed at your peak throughout the 12 hours of your working hours. Yes or no? Right? But machine can, right? If so long as it's not damaged, right? The machine can perform to their standardization, right? With very very minimum error, right? That's why people, the scientists develop, they understand that, right? They understand that. That's why the scientists, right, study, collect the big data sufficient, and they develop a product like that, so that they help you to buy back your time, right? So when you have more time, definitely you will be able to think of how you can take care of yourself, right? Okay, so because you take care of yourself, the more of these bodily conditions are being kept by your effort, right, with quality products, right? So the more you are able to fight for the life that you wanted to live in. Yes or no? So do get that sequence right? Okay, so do get that sequence right. The basis of you able to it's not about living long. It's about living better quality of life. It's not about living long. It's about what is it has the quality, right? Of course, the bonus is that you can live a little longer, but it has to have the quality first. And quality involves like how you use your time, right? How you use your time, right? Okay, so something for you to reflect on, right? So yes, so the best investment is always to invest in the wellness of ourselves. Nothing better than right, nothing compared to investing in some other stuff, like investing in ourselves. Right? So there you go. So if you want to know where to buy,